Welcome sa day 9 of getting up early, and I would like to share with you one experience na experience ko. So that experience is getting bored. Kasi ganito yung nangyari. Sa umaga, 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., maybe hanggang sabihin natin 10 to 1 p.m. Tapos ko na yung ginagawa ko, and sa hapon wala nang ginagawa. And nangyari, I'm bored. And being bored is good, no? In this world full of entertainment, right? The reason why being bored is good because it gives you a space to process the things, no? Process the information that you have consumed. It enables you to think, no? Enables you to digest yung mga information na nakuha mo, na-collect mo, na-gather mo, no? And that way, no, hindi lang consume, no? Kasi ngayon, pansinin mo, diba? Kung wala kang ginagawa, boring naman. Open mo lang yung phone mo, pwede ka nang manood ng kung ano-ano, di ba? So, full of entertainment na. Like, hindi na natin binibigyan ng oras i-digest yung mga na-consume natin, right? So, let's say for example, you have a meeting from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. non-stop without any pause, hindi ka na bored, hindi ka huminto, and at the end of the day, what do you think will you feel, no? Maybe you feel frustrated and like hindi ka masaya kasi it feels like you are being controlled, right? You are being controlled by the activities that you had. Ngayon, if you block time for you to get bored, then nag-block ka ng 1 hour to do nothing, and you block time to do nothing. For some people, for most people, they think that this is a ridiculous idea kasi unproductive sayang oras. But did you know that it could be the most productive time of your day? Kasi once you block your time and you do nothing that time, all you need to do is to process, to digest, diffuse, check your surroundings. Hindi ka naka-focus mode, and your perspective is in a wider view. Mas makikita mo yung bigger picture. It could be most productive time of your day, and that's the importance of getting bored. Kalang natin yung pagiging bored it's a bad thing, no? Kasi ang boring naman ang gagawin. Mamaya, ka-block na rin yung oras ko, no? Para maging ma-bored. And syempre, sabihin natin na hindi naman ganun kadali maging ma-bored, no? Kung pipilitin natin. Kasi sometimes, pag bored tayo, like, ang daling sabihin na hindi ko mo nagagalaw yung phone ko. But, again, syempre, ano pa rin tayo, na di-distract pa rin tayo. Pero pipilitin natin ma-board. Kasi nasanay tayo. Pansin mo, sa panahon ngayon na ang dami ng pwedeng gawin. Tingin mo, gaano kadalas pa naboboard yung mga tao? Parang halos hindi na naboboard yung mga tao. Kasi mga marketers, mga businesses are able to create things para makuha yung attention natin. Also, to keep our attention and focus na nakatuon sa gusto nilang pag-focus. So, right after you watch this video, I want you to turn off your mobile devices. Tago mo. And try to get bored and try to process things, digest yung mga na-consume mo information. Kasi parang pagkain lang yan, hindi ka lang pwede lamutak. Magpalpa ka din, huminto ka din kumain. And let your body digest it first, no? Ganon din dito. Kaya siguro, medyo stress ka na kasi yung binibigyan yung oras mo maging bored So again, getting bored is not bad. It could be the most productive activity of your day. Be formidable.